Hello and welcome. If you're new here, I'm Amy. I create beginner-friendly stretching and yoga content to help you improve your flexibility and feel better in your body. Today, we are on day one of the 30-day stretching challenge, which is very exciting. If you are new to the challenge, please go watch my day zero video. It has all of the info that you're going to need. But basically, we're going to be doing one stretching video every day in November, and it's going to be an awesome way to improve your flexibility, to release tension and stress, and to reconnect with your body and hopefully establish a stretching habit that actually lasts. That's the goal. So today, we're going to be starting with a standing stretch video. I love making these videos. You guys love watching these videos, hopefully doing them with me. So you're not going to need anything today. No mat, no nothing. You can do it anywhere, anytime. When you're ready, though, meet me in a comfortable standing position with your hips or your feet hips distance. Ground down through your feet. Allow your shoulder blades to travel down and back. Standing up nice and tall, opening through the chest. Taking a deep inhale through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. On your next big inhale, reach your fingertips up toward the sky and side bend over to the right. Grab hold of your left thumb, guiding your left thumb up and over. Look up toward the sky. Keep your chest open here as you lengthen and stretch out the left side of the body. On your next inhale, reach up and exhale, side bend over to the other side, grabbing hold of your right thumb. Stand up tall, fingertips reach up to the sky. Interlace your fingers, press your palms up, up, up. And on your exhale, look down, round through your upper back, spreading your shoulder blades. We're going to take that a few times. So on your inhale, press into the feet, press the palms up toward the sky. And exhale, gaze down, rounding through the upper back. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Awesome. Inhale to stand up tall. Steeple your fingers, reaching through your pointers, giving yourself a little back bend here. And this time, you're going to reach your fingertips forward, gaze down toward the ground, and then slowly side bend over to the right to open up through the left side of the body. Think about looking up and under your armpit here. Inhale to come up through center, reach up. And exhale, reaching forward, side bending over to the left. Awesome. Stand up nice and tall. Release your arms to your sides. Give them a little shake out. Let's take some shoulder rolls. Inhale to squeeze your shoulders up to your ears. And exhale, drop them down your back. Exaggerate the movement here. Try to make it really slow, really big. And go ahead and reverse. Inhale to squeeze up. Exhale, rolling your shoulders forward. Awesome. Finding some stillness. Stretching out the neck. On your inhale, melt your right ear to your right shoulder. Left fingertips reach toward the ground. Inhale to stand up, and we'll go over to the other side. Left ear melts to left shoulder. Right fingertips extend. Inhale to stand up tall. This time we're going to take the right ear to the right shoulder and take your gaze down toward the ground slightly. Notice how that changes the sensation along the back of your neck. Last breath here. Inhale to stand up tall and exhale, coming over to the other side. Gaze down toward the ground. Inhale to stand up tall. Give yourself a big shoulder roll. Reach your fingertips up toward the sky. And exhale to find a twist. Right fingertips reach back. Left fingertips reach forward. Gaze up and over. Imagine you're being pulled in opposite directions here. Last big breath in. Reach your fingertips up, and we'll go over to the other side. Last breath in. Reach up and interlace your hands behind your back here. Chest opener stretch. Squeezing your shoulder blades in towards each other. Coming into a forward fold. Generous bend in the knees, hinge at the hips. Extend through the crown of your head and allow your body to melt forward towards the ground. When you get there, keep that generous bend in your knees. You can sway from side to side. If it's too much on your shoulders, feel free to release the clasp of your hands and clasp opposite elbow instead. Taking a gentle ragdoll sway from side to side here to wake up through the backs of the legs. Awesome. Hands find hips. Generous bend in the knees. Roll yourself all the way up to standing. Let's stretch out the lower body a little bit. Feet come to hips distance. Shift your weight into your right foot. Take your left knee into your chest here. Taking a few little ankle rolls, getting out all little cricks, creaks, cracks. You can probably hear mine from here. Now keep a generous bend in that right standing knee, allowing yourself to balance a little bit more easily to come into a quad stretch. Grab hold of the left foot, bring it into towards your glutes. Knees stay nice and close to one another, thinking about opening through the chest here. Last breath in. Release left foot down, give a little shake out. We'll do that on the other side. So shift your weight into your left foot now. Take your right knee into your chest. Ankle rolls. Going in one direction and then the other direction. And then keeping a nice bend in that standing leg. Grab hold of your right foot behind you, bring it in close towards your glutes, quad stretch. Last breath. Releasing that foot. Cool. Hip flexor. So feet come together. This time, left foot steps back, coming into a hip flexor stretch here, sinking your hips down towards the earth. You should feel it in the left hip flexor. And stay here if that's enough, or you can take your arms up toward the sky and come into a little bit of a side bend over to the right. One more breath here. Reach your fingertips up toward the sky. Step the left foot forward and sink your hips back to come into a hamstring stretch. Hands to hips. Think about lengthen through the crown of your head as you hinge forward at the hips, sitting back to deepen the stretch. Last breath here. Stand up nice and tall. Hip flexor stretch on the other side. So right foot steps back. Make sure your stance is wide enough here where you're actually feeling a nice stretch. You might have to take your legs out a little bit wider to feel something. I definitely feel something on this side, particularly today. Inhale to reach your fingertips up. And we side bend over to the left side. Last breath. Oop, nearly fell over. Release your hands. Step your right foot forward. Hamstring stretch. Sitting back nice and deep, as deep as you can. Don't forget to breathe. Stand up nice and tall. Let's find a figure four stretch. So again, shifting your weight into your right foot. Hook your left elbow over your right knee and sit your hips down as far as you can. You should feel this all through the left hip, the left back of your leg. Definitely a challenge for your balance. Try to look at something stationary as you hinge as deep as you can. Uh-oh. One more breath like this. Slowly come up to standing. Take that foot out wide now, coming into a wide-legged forward fold. Hinge at the hips. Melt your chest down towards the earth. Maybe you want to add a little shift from side to side to wake up the inner thighs even more. And then slowly find stillness and roll yourself all the way up to standing. Let's do that on the other side. So this time, shift your weight into your left foot, hook your right ankle over your left knee. Try to look at something stationary and slowly sit your hips down and back. Last breath here. Slowly stand up. Take your right foot out wide. Once again, let's find that wide-legged forward fold. Hinge at the hips, reach forward through the crown of your head. And this time, if you like, while you're here, let's take a little bit of a twist. Left fingertips plant, right fingertips reach up toward the sky. And on your next exhale, right fingertips to the ground and left fingertips reach up. Fold yourself forward. Take one more deep breath in. And on your exhale, slowly roll yourself all the way up to standing. Let's end with a couple rounds of eagle arms. Inhale to reach your fingertips up, and then cross your right arm under your left arm. If you can, press your palms together, but it's okay if that's not going to happen. With every inhale, think about lifting through your fingertips to open through the back. Take a full deep breath in and a full deep breath out. Release your arms down to your sides. Give them a little shake out. We'll do that on the other side. Inhale, fingertips reach up. Exhale to cross your left arm under your right this time. See if you can get your palms to press together. With every inhale, reaching up through the fingertips. Last big breath in. Exhale to release. Hands come down by your sides. One more time, we reach up. And we cactus the arms out, squeezing the shoulder blades, opening through the chest. Awesome. Well, congratulations. You are now officially done with your first day of the 30-day challenge. If you are committing to the challenge today, I would love to know where in the world you are watching from and what date you are joining. So please leave me a comment and let me know. Until next time, I will see you again tomorrow. So make sure you check your progress calendar to see what's coming up next, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.